My name is Jeff Bogert. This video is going to illustrate the implementation of a Python program that is called minesweeper.py that implements a knowledge base for an artificial intelligence player. This is done in the course, as a course assignment for CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. When the player makes moves, he gets certain information, and I'm going to try to talk about that when we play the game. And that information then is used to create a knowledge base which tries to support the player in the knowledge of what would be a safe play on the board. This is the first way you see the board. There are 8 by 8 squares. I'm going to continually let the AI move. He just played on a square and it shows 1. That 1 indicates there is one mine in the surrounding cells to the cell that he clicked on. So he now does not know a safe move yet. He's going to pick another place, and he picked the other corner up at the top, and there you see 0. So he knows that all the cells around him are safe to play on. And he is inspecting that area right now. As long as he's within 1 with a 0, he knows he's got a safe play. Now he's almost tied down. We'll see what happens. Now he's locked in, and he had to pick another random move, and he jumped out to the 1 that you saw at the top of the board. He's picked another random move at the bottom, and now he's found a 0 again. Now he can play around that 0, as you will see, and he'll inspect the board and try to keep inspecting till he finds that he's blocked again and has nowhere to move with a 0. He's getting close to being blocked in. Right now he's blocked again, and now he's, I'm sorry, he had an opening down at the bottom, and he took it. And he's now exploring further. We'll see what happens. If he gets blocked again, he might end up, there he is, he's blocked, and he's boomed. That's the end of this video.